Welcome everybody. How about a nice, gentle 10-minute stretch to wake up our bodies and truly feel alive? Let's get started. Real simple. Just bring the arm across your body. Use your other hand to bring it in tight. Let's continue to bring our breath into each movement. And slowly but surely here, begin to shift your weight. Wake up the lower body as well. Feel that great stretch in your shoulder, the upper back. Real gentle today. We're just going to move with gratitude and wonder. But how wonderful these bodies are. Get them nice and stretchy for the day. We can release a few endorphins along the way, as Seam has already happened for me. Take this and just reach just a little bit further now. Sink down a little deeper. We're going to focus on stretching today, but as we sink down, we're building some strength. Just nice, light, gentle flow with real intention and focus though. We can move gently, but we want to bring all of our attention, all of our focus into it. Okay, just reach the arms up. Come up real big. Whenever you're ready, start to come up onto the balls of your feet. We're stretching out our arms, decompressing our spine. Reach the arms really far back. You feel a nice stretch in your triceps. We come up onto the balls of our feet. We continue to cultivate that amazing balance. Breathe in and out. In, out. Ah, yes. Just feel the aliveness in your body and the wonder of moving. How great it is. We won't worry about cars coming by that are not supposed to be here this early in the morning. Come on. But we don't let things outside of us disrupt what's going on the inside. At least we try not to. Okay, very simply, step forward, lift the arms up, bend the back. Just a few of these here. And then look to the sky. Stretching out our neck, the lower back. Whoa, as we look up and step, you're gonna notice, ooh, maybe if I engage my core, that helps me balance here. Look at this, we're stretching our bodies. We're building core stability so that we have incredible six-pack abs, because we know how important that is. Yeah. I can laugh. I was a teenager once and thought, wow, six-pack abs, that's really important. That's all right. We grow and we learn. Ah. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Wide stance. Bring your arms out nice and far. Hopefully we got the back warmed up and we can just bend down. And then twist a couple times. Real gentle. Bend down again. Nice. Bend in the knees. Feel that in the lower back. You go as deep as you can. We're all at different stages, different places. Each day can be different. Just move in a way that suits your body right now. Ooh. And do it with wonder and awe. Ah, I get to move today. I get to be extra stretchy today. Ah. Keep your head up high here. Bend down. Look to the ground. Maybe let's hold it for a moment here. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Keep those arms out nice and far. Feel it in the shoulders as well. Rise up. Twist a couple times. Look behind you. And let's go down one more time here. Hold it again for a moment. Hey, while we're here, what about a little windmill action? How does that feel? Really great for building strength in the legs here. But wow, what a stretch for our entire spine. Ooh, that feels nice. Yes, we come on up and we'll just twist it here just for a moment. Let's just take a few twists. Shift your weight. Okay. March. And prayer. A little side step. And begin to bring your arms up overhead. Feel that incredible stretch. Bring the knee up as high as you can. We're building mobility in those hips. Oh, hip mobility is so nice. Real great mobility in the upper back. If you can step to the side, do so. And again, look at the balance we're creating. We're going to be walking on tight ropes in no time, across buildings. Watch us go. Watch us go. If I may, I've become distracted from the spectacularly beautiful swan that is going by, and hopefully he or she will come in to our shot. How beautiful the natural world is. How beautiful are you? You truly are. Feel it. Feel the beauty inside of you. Feel all that energy you're creating. Feel how stretchy you're becoming. Whew. Last one here. I meant this is the last one. As I fall over. Ooh, just bounce for a moment. Just bounce. Shake. Oh, yes, I'm flexible. Flexibility in life too. Ooh, just rolling with the punches. Ooh, like water off a duck's back or a swan's back. I can handle difficult things. I can handle when people are frustrating, annoying. Okay. Ooh. Step. Bring your feet together. So reach up and then feet together and twist here. Just to one side to start. Just a few here. Breathe into the movement. You can sink down a little bit. You'll feel that in the outer leg. Breathe. Oh. And then let's go to the other side. Isn't it amazing? Whoa, get it right, Drew. There we go. So both hands come here, arm comes up. Oh, that's the movement. Just move with wonder and awe. It's nice to be stretchy. Why is he singing today? He's not sure. The endorphins got flowing. And it feels good to move and be alive. Oh, okay. Last one here. Nicely done. Oh, feet more than shoulder width apart, toes pointing out. Squat down. Look at right here. Look at this leg strength we're building. Hands on your thighs. Bring your shoulder in. And twist. Start to turn and look behind you. Breathe. Amazing here. Look at the strength, the flexibility we're creating. Oh, mama. I don't know what gets into me some days. Deep sense of gratitude for being able to be here and show up with you every day, I think. Honor our bodies. That feels nice too. A couple more. Ooh, yes and yes. From here, heel toe in. Heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. because it's fun. Feet together. Last movement for today. Bend down. Rise up. And a couple of little gentle twists. When our feet are together like this does help us to build balance. Bend down as best you can. And twist here. Bend your knees, come down, touch the ground if you can. Should sort of show us where we're at after this. Do we feel more stretchy, more bendy? I feel a little more silly. Silly's good. Childlike, yes. Come on down. Ooh. Head up nice and high. Just twist for a moment here. Look up. Just feel all of it. The energy flowing through your body. The good vibes. Let's go down again. And a couple of times here. Just down. Bend the knees. Oh. Last one. Up. Jump. Bounce around. Punch, punch, punch. Celebrate. This session complete. Well done. Thank you so much for being here. Spend another 30 seconds to a minute with me, please, so we can continue to grow incredible concentration, focus, the ability to pay attention. Pick a spot and just keep your focus there. Laser-like attention on one spot. 30 seconds today. That's it. Just bring all your attention. Watch the monkey mind. I'm not going to say another thing. That's it for today. Keep practicing that. Find a spot, focus on it. 30 seconds a minute. It really does help us to concentrate. Incredible focus. Oh yes. I will see you again tomorrow. All next week, we're going to focus on our brain health and how movement is incredible to help us avoid mental decline. Oh yeah, I can't wait. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for being here. God bless.